If you're new to 3D Coat, one of the first steps you might take in order to quickly get up to speed is to use the Quick Start tutorial missions here in the splash screen when you first open the application. Let's go ahead and click on that, and you'll see some different categories that we can choose from. Let's choose Paint Channels, and you'll see all of these highlighted. It's telling me to hit the Enter key. And then it will start giving you some directions. As you complete them, 3D Coat will move on to the next step. So make sure to follow those. I'll click Abort. It should bring up the splash screen again. If it does not, for any reason, you can always go to the File menu and click on New, and it will bring this back up. Once you have completed the tutorial missions, the next step might be to go to the left-hand side of the interface where you see the different tools and the tool panel, and when you hover over one of them, should you see a red play icon in the lower left-hand corner of that tooltip, you know there is a tutorial video linked directly to that specific tool. So let me hover over this one and hit the F1 key while the tooltip is still visible. And also, if you should happen to have access to Pluralsight, you can start here with the Getting Started with 3D Coat training series. There are some other 3D Coat related series available on here as well, but this is, again, a good place to start with. Additionally, you can go to the Help menu and access the manual here, as well as accessing the 3D Coat YouTube channel. Once you're here, you can go to the playlist, then choose Quick Start, and begin here. And that's a quick look at your Quick Start training options in 3D Coat. Thank you for watching.